Hello and welcome to the Kanawha Valley Hustlers. This is Joe Justice. I'm here with Chris. Chris, tell me, buddy, what's your hustle?
Well, I'm the owner of Above Roofing, LLC.
So Above Roofing, so I'm guessing you've got something to do with roofing. What do you do? What problems do you solve?
Well, I guess if you have any leaks or we can get into preventative maintenance and get out there and inspect your roofs for you to see if you need a replacement or if we can get you repaired.
Great. What got you into doing this type of work?
Well, I remember I helped a father-in-law at the time install a roof, and it kind of got into my blood at that point.
Ah, okay. So you really enjoy doing that type of thing. How long have you been doing it?
I've been roofing for 12 years now.
Oh, wow. 12 years. So you've got a little bit of experience then.
A couple days.
Talk to me a little bit about what's a mistake that you've made in your career? What'd you learn from it?
I believe underestimating a job, and it kind of put me in position. So now I'm a little more thorough whenever I'm inspecting these roofs.
Now that's one of the things that you run into quite a bit with entrepreneurs, especially when they're starting out. It can be really difficult to know what to charge and how to do that. When did you figure out that you needed to make a change on that?
When I lost a bunch of money.
That'll do it, right? You figure out, I've been underbidding this, and maybe what kind of steps did you do to kind of address that with moving forward and actually, charging the right amount for the work you were putting in?
Well, I guess it would be, and like I said, I get a little more thorough in my inspections whenever I'm coming out to walk the roof over, and I get a little more in detail with my questioning process whenever I'm talking to a client.
Gotcha. So you need to make sure that you get all your bases covered and be a little bit more thorough.
That's it.
Well, that's a really common problem. Tell me, what are some common misconceptions for people in your industry?
As in for myself or the client?
For roofing in general, what are some common misconceptions that you run into that the clients have?
A lot of times people aren't educated in the insurances that a contractor is supposed to have in order to protect them and the contractor themselves.
Okay, what type of things do clients, people that are looking for roofers, what type of things should they be looking for then?
They should be looking for a comprehensive plan to ensure that the contractor's workers are protected in case of any type of accident that happens on the job. So the homeowner's insurance doesn't pick up anything, and the contractor is protecting the homeowner and themselves.
Do you know some good questions that homeowners should be asking if they're interviewing roofing companies?
One, experience level, what different types of roofs can you install? Because something that we've run into here in the valley is there's a lot of historical roofs that are just getting torn off and replaced with shingles and or AG panel roofs when there's contractors out there that is willing to put in the work to maintain this history.
Gotcha. So give me an idea of what kind of challenges are you seeing in today's business climate? Is it lack of funding? Is it lack of resources or staffing? What are you running into today?
I believe that all throughout the trade right now, one of the things that everybody is faced with is staffing issues. So hopefully we have some of these younger kids coming out of high school or the trade schools that's really wanting to get out here and build a career.
Well, what would you tell somebody that's maybe young, possibly looking into getting into the trades in general? What would you tell them to encourage them?
I would say that there's a lot of tech jobs out here and everything, and there's nothing wrong with that. However, these homes and these buildings isn't going to build themselves, so you may not have an office to go to one of these days.
Yeah, the homes are always going to be here, right?
That's it.
So a couple rapid fire questions here. What's one skill that every entrepreneur should have?
Hustle.
What's one new skill that you've been working on recently?
Patience.
That's an important skill to have. So as we're kind of wrapping up here, Chris, tell me, what is one belief, one principle, something that you stand by even when all the haters tell you that you're wrong?
I believe that the name of my company was formed from a Bible verse, and we are above and not below. And I would believe that a lot of my belief in Christ is probably one of those things.
Great. So for anybody looking to get more information about Above Roofing, what's the best way for them to get in touch with you?
You can go to the website, which is www.aboveroofingwv.com, or you can get in contact with me directly, and the phone number is 304-942-9296.
Chris, thank you so much for being with us here today. Thank you for watching and listening. This is Joe Justice, the Kanawha Valley Hustler, reminding you to hustle hard, hustle smart, and hustle with a smile.